Bonjour! I'm making a video for you today because I have a lot of questions on how to make an audio assignment, how to record your voice. Right now I'm using Screencast-O-Matic, which is an app I found for making a video using your screen. But you just need to record your voice. You don't necessarily need to make a video. So I'm on a Mac. So here I am in Blackboard today, and I just wanted to show you that you're in coursework and you're probably looking at how to record names, like how to talk about the names you've been working on, how to spell 5 French girl names and 5 boy names, or you're doing your bonjour, je m'appelle Madame Hacker, enchanté, comment tu t'appelles? And so you're probably working on either introducing yourself or spelling people's names, right? So we've got some assignments that you need to be able to use the alphabet. And you're going to keep going in order. And then as you get further down, you'll also be recording yourself reading some telephone numbers. So how can you do this? Well, for me, I go down in the bottom finder on a Mac, and I go into applications, and I love QuickTime. So I think QuickTime is my favorite, and this will look much different if you're on a ThinkPad or a Microsoft device. Here's QuickTime, right? So then I could open up QuickTime, and then I usually just, you don't really need this, I can be done. But up here you can't see it in the screen, but you're gonna go to File and do a new audio recording, and you're going to record your voice. Bonjour, je m'appelle Madame Hacker, enchantée. Et toi, comment tu t'appelles? There it is. Then you can save it. You can save it, and you're going to save it to your French 1 folder, right? So I save everything in an SVL folder, and then I would go French 1 and I would save it there, like in Unit 1. So there's Unit 1 of French 1. And then when you submit an assignment, whoops, I just closed Blackboard. I didn't want to do that. You can either go to journals. So these are set up as journals, and that's how it was done the first, when we developed this unit. But then later on, you're going to be going in to submit assignments. Submit assignments. So there's 3 places to submit work: submit assignments, or journals, or blogs. So if you're going into an audio journal and you look for introducing yourself, you click on the journal, right? And then you're going to go up here. It's kind of light. Create a journal entry, introducing myself, whatever you want to call it. Week 2, introducing yourself, audio journal. And then you'll go here and you'll browse your computer and find your document and attach it. So typically in a journal, what I want you to do is type. If it's a written journal, you'll type right here. And then I can give you feedback and replies. But if it's an audio one, you have to attach a file. So if you are still having problems and you need new ideas, go into the teacher information section and look at class resources. In there, there's oh, it's not in there, so that is really good. I'm going to put that in there right now. Please go in there, and by the time you watch this video, there will also be recording audio, and that's going to be right in here. Look in here, and there's going to be a file that says making audio recordings and submitting audio assignments, and that'll be in there. So I'm really glad that I opened that up for you today. So if you need other ideas, you can use Windows Media. If you're on a Windows computer, you could use your telephone and talk in that, and then email it to yourself. And then if you still have problems, give me a call. Have a good day. Bonne journée.